Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel Intexture by ANK. In today's video, we are going to talk about two topics, both related to eclectic interior design. We are going to start with exciting eclectic interior design ideas, followed by hot tips for your next project using eclectic interior design. So let's get started. The right eclectic interior design ideas can bring a fresh, new look to your home. These attractive mixes of styles, textures, and colors offer a perfect way to show off your unique style while still creating a warm and inviting space. While some design trends come and go quickly, others have a more lasting appeal. One particular example that shows no signs of slowing down is the use of eclectic elements to create a unique space. Not only do eclectic interior design ideas provide a continual breath of fresh air in terms of creation, but they also allow you to really express your personality through your home decor. So if you're looking for a way to make your home stand out from the rest, dive into the world of unrestrained mixing and matching. One of the best things about eclectic design is that you can really have fun with color. Don't be afraid to experiment with bold hues and patterns until you find a combination that you love. Another great way to add interest to an eclectic space is to incorporate various textures. Don't restrain yourself. Feel free to use fur, velvet, leather, or even raw wood within your eclectic decor. Doing so will add lots of interest and dimension to your space. Patterns are one of the ultimate tools to infuse a distinctive character into your eclectic space. Again, don't be afraid to mix and match until you find a combination that feels just right. Metallics are having a lasting moment in the world of interior design. So if you are looking to incorporate a touch of glamour into your eclectic space, consider using brass, copper, and gold. You won't go wrong if you mix a few different metallic finishes either. Eclectic design is all about blending different styles, so why not incorporate elements from different cultures? Adding global accents like Moroccan rugs, Indian tapestries, or Chinese vases can produce strikingly sophisticated effects as a result. Vintage pieces can bring an eclectic interior design transformation to life, adding both timeless character and charm. When shopping for vintage pieces, look for items that have interesting shapes or unique histories, or both. There's nothing like a little bit of nature to bring more life to a room. For that reason, incorporating greenery into your design with potted plants, indoor garden, or perhaps a living wall is one of the best moves you can make. Before we go any further with this video, if you want to support us, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Art is an inseparable element of eclectic decor. When choosing art for your home, don't be afraid to think outside the traditional paintings or photographs hung on the wall. Instead, get creative with sculptures, tapestries, 3D printed art, or even graffiti or murals. Gone are the days of matchy furniture. Eclectic interior design thrives on fusion of seemingly unpairable elements. So don't be afraid to combine different woods, metals, and fabrics. The style possibilities are endless. Lighting is one of the most important elements of any interior design. It can also be one of the most fun elements to play around within eclectic home decor. So get creative with chandeliers, wall and floor lamps, string lights, or even LED candles. Whether it is pieces you have created yourself or some favorite finds from a travel afar, display a collection of art on a gallery wall. Feel free to blend styles and mediums for the ultimate eclectic room decor. Say goodbye to bland, boring walls. Now it's all about daring to be different. That also means incorporating eye-catching patterns and color designs into your eclectic design. But don't worry, you don't have to go into too crazy. A little bit of wallpaper can go a long way. Not all eclectic interior design ideas need to be over the top. An eclectic style room can be inviting and serene. A few collected pieces and controlled pops of color will just do the trick. The fun part of an eclectic room is that it allows you to tastefully display your treasured knickknacks. For a professionally styled look, choose items for varying heights, colors, and materials. Plush textiles make an eclectic interior design feel homier with their warmth and comfort. So layer them, snuggle up, and get ready to relax. If you want serious pieces in your eclectic interior design, look for some whimsical and unconventional elements. A few well-placed oddities can really give your home an edge. Also, by accenting your decor with eclectic items, you'll create a one-of-a-kind space aligned with your personality. Few things feel calmer than earthy color palettes. Therefore, if you are looking for a way to make an eclectic home light and breezy, turn to nature for inspiration. You won't be disappointed. Geometric shapes will still be big. Incorporate them into your decor through wallpaper, art prints, or even furniture. Still make sure not to go overboard. Even in eclectic interior design, sometimes less is definitely more. Environmentally friendly materials like stone or bamboo and new fabrics will be even bigger. Choose furniture and decor made from natural or recycled materials for an eco-friendly eclectic home. Letting the foundation of your eclectic interior design fall within the neutrals is beneficial for several reasons. Most importantly, this allows for decor and accents to be easily swapped in and out. Your home can be as versatile as you wish. Eclectic interiors are super trendy at the moment, and every magazine, TV, and blogs have been showing you aspiring eclectic interior design to covet. But what exactly is eclectic style? To the untrained eye, it looks like it's merely a bunch of items that were randomly thrown together and magically work. But if you have ever tried your hands at creating an eclectic interior, you may have noticed that it's not quite as simple as it looks. Instead of going wild on the color front, consider your core color palette beforehand. This is what will guide you in creating a harmonious space as opposed to a wild and erratic one. Therefore, choose a neutral palette and an accent color to get you started. As you build your interior inventory, you can add to that palette. Then, have a look at what other eclectic interiors look like to become inspired. When it comes to the walls, keep them simple, as they will act as the backdrop from where to showcase your curated interior. Dark colors deepen interior intrigue, whereas the lighter tones create a calm canvas, and unpainted bricks and plaster add to the textural element. When looking for living room ideas, consider the amount of natural light there is in the space to begin with. Every piece of furniture and decoration can have a story, but statement objects are what will add the perfect finishing touch to your room. Think sculptures, vases, chandeliers, table lamps, and floor lamps. To pull off the perfect eclectic decor scheme, choose one item and really give it a special place in the room, where it can stand on its own and steal the show. Or create a collection of favorite items and proudly put them on display where you can admire them every day. Eclectic doesn't mean messy and filled with brim with stuff. Less is still more. Even when it comes to fine art of eclecticism, rather have fewer key pieces that you really love than shelves full of ornaments and floor flooded with statement. Keep things neat and tidy and showcase your most treasured possessions. Just because you own it doesn't mean you have to show it. An eclectic interior is likely most personal style of design. There are no strict rules that apply, and no specific furniture style or era that you have to comply with. Mix different designs, textures, and styles with confidence. And know that as long as you use our tips as a guideline, it will work. This is it for this video. If you liked the video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.